It's feed mixing time again. And because it's also winter as well as breeding time, we want to make sure all our goats are getting the best nutrition in their feed. We start out with 12% sweet feed, alfalfa pellets, whole oats, black oil sunflower seeds, and finally corn, which we've been getting at our new local corn vending machine. We have a video coming about that soon. We use 1 part sweet feed, 1 part alfalfa pellets, 1 part whole oats, 1 part sunflower seeds, and 2 parts corn. Once it's all mixed, into our storage freezer it goes. The girls know it's feeding time. So we hope this helps, and if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments below. See you next time.